Hi everyone, welcome to SHSIR classes. Today in this video we have to draw a circle with radius 4.5 centimeter. So let's start the video. First of all, drawing here a line of length 4.5 centimeter. So this is starting 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to this 4.5 centimeter. So first drawing here a line of length 4.5 centimeter, and this is O and P. So OP equal to 4.5 centimeter. Next, taking here a point O to draw circle on this point. Now taking the length OP by compass by this way. Next, putting the compass on this point and drawing a arc which represent a circle with radius 4.5 centimeter. Now joining the center up to perimeter to get the radius of this circle. So first joining this, okay, and taking here this is P point, so radius OP equal to 4.5 centimeter. So therefore radius OP equal to 4.5 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching and please like the video.